Yeah. Hola. Let's see. Give me a second, chat. I'm gonna get this pulled up here. Bang, bang. Oh, dang it. Hang on, chat.
Looks like juggling.
Chat. How we doing? How we doing? How we doing? How we doing? Holy. Wait a minute. Let me share out the stream real quick. Let me get it all shared. All right, there we go. 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 Chat. Trader 007. What's up? How you doing? Play with fire. What's up? Bo, how you doing, man? How we doing? How we doing? Marika. Hello. Am I in the green today? Abso-freaking-lutely. We are absolutely green today. We're looking good, feeling good, smelling good, chat, you know what I mean? How you guys doing, bro? How y'all doing today? What's the vibe, chat? What's the vibe, chat? NQ catching a big old ripper. NQ catching a big old ripper, chat. What up, Andrew? How you doing? Bo, up 360 in one account and about to be up maybe 600 from this long now on my other. Holy. You absolutely love to hear it. My goodness. Chat, if you're just coming in, be sure to hit that like button, bro. Hit that like button. Let's get it out the way early. Get out the way early. We don't got to mess with it no more. You know what I mean? Good in for the month. Holy, you absolutely love to hear it. You love to hear it, chat. Yeah, we sit nice and green. Nice and green on the day as well. We traded prop firm today only. We did not trade personal account or we didn't trade the personal account today or yesterday. We've traded only prop accounts. We're setting the personal account out for the rest of the month. So tomorrow, as we step into Q4, we'll look to trade the personal account. But just to give you guys a little bit of a little sneak peek, a little sneaky peek. Personal account sitting up nice and green, chat. Holy moly, we are nice and green. Nice and green. We're up 16.8% in the personal account, chat, this month. 16.8%. That is phenomenal growth. Absolutely phenomenal. Phenomenal chat, holy. There's been a lot happening today in the world. A lot happening. We had jobs report come out. We had Trump speaking. We're pending a government shutdown. I mean, there's just things happening everywhere, chat. Things happening everywhere. It's definitely a tricky day. The tricky one. We'll see what the afternoon brings. Any trade? Yeah, we took I was live on Tradify TV this morning. We took an absolute heater. We took a 50-point trade live on Tradify TV this morning. It was an absolute heater. Nasdaq catching an absolute rip right now. Nasdaq catching a big old ripski. Business Lens, any trade for you? You asked me, now I ask you. Do you have any trades? Look at Nasdaq coming to VWAP. My goodness, chat. Nasdaq absolutely ripping straight to VWAP here. Bo says, full TP, holy. GG's, Bo. G freaking G's. You love it. You absolutely love it. Chat, can y'all hear the music? Is it too loud or too quiet? Nasdaq hanging out at 790s. Y'all gonna make me look on my phone, bro. Y'all ain't gonna answer me. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Oh yeah, y'all can hear the music. Holy. Kobe up 600 in the Tradify Lightning funded and up 430 on the ODTE options. I will be strong enough to call it a day and be happy with that, right? You absolutely will be. 100%. There is not a doubt in my mind. You will be. Bo, man, I can't thank you enough for everything that I've learned from you. Holy crap, it's been such a big difference from the start till now. Yo, you absolutely love to hear that. You do. You love to hear it. Glad you are progressing. It is a journey. There is not a single end destination to any of this. It is just it's a journey, man. It's a journey. You'll never be there. There's always something to learn, always something to get better at, always have to adapt. When you become a trader, baby, there ain't no going back. Holy. Okay, what up? Okay, yeah, hey, chat, y'all heard it here first, bro. Okay, coming in with smash the like. Chat, y'all heard it. Bitmom, holy celebrity in the chat. It's good volume. Okay, good. Glad to hear it. Glad to hear it. Nasdaq is up here chilling in VWAP. Chat, that trade we took on Trade TV was an absolute heater, bro. We where did I take that? It was at 42. Yeah, we took a short at 42, chat. We took a short at 42. Rode this thing all the way down to 92. Just an absolute heater. Nice little failed IB up there. We took it before we actually came back below IB. I mean, things were just looking, you get the picture, right? Things were looking pretty weak up here. This felt like a bunch of nonsense, to be honest. We ended up taking the short early. We took one short here. Got stopped out when we hit the highs again, and then we finally got the short that we originally wanted, which was here at 42, and rode that thing down. I was targeting 50s, to be honest. I was targeting 50. It looks like we came down to 57, but after getting as much that we did, I ended up just trailing it the whole way down and trailed it until it stopped me out. And so we ended up getting 50 points, which I'm more than happy with. Absolute banger of a trade. Nice, Cole. We took the short right after you did. You were my extra confirmation. Thanks for the 600. Holy, you're absolutely welcome. I charged 10%. I got a 10% tax fee, chat. I've been saying for all the accounts we've been giving away tons of accounts. You guys get to payouts on those giveaways. Listen, 10%. Just want you guys to know that. My Venmo's open, baby. Hey, what you laughing at? Don't look at me like that. Don't laugh at me like that. What you laughing at, girl?
This message is brought to you by Apple Card.
Oh my god, ads.
Daily cash back when you...
I can't do ads, chat. I need to get YouTube Premium again. In fact, we're doing it. After this stream, I'm getting Premium again. And y'all can't talk me out of it. Y'all cannot talk me out of it. I hate when you get back-to-back ads, chat, to where it's you can't skip. You have to wait. It's so annoying. You gotta earn it. Listen. I don't want to hear it. JT, bro, question. How do you eliminate doing stupid shit? Listen. I mean, you're gonna do it. There is no way around it. You got to go through it to get over it. Part of it, man. Part of it. Eventually, JT, listen, lock in with me real quick. Eventually, you get slapped in the face enough, and you finally say, enough is enough, bro. You really do. You get slapped in the face plenty of times, and you're just like, yo, you know what? I'm tired of getting slapped in the face. And then that's the turning point of stopping the stupid shit. Even though you're still gonna do it, you're just gonna do it less, right? People ask all the time, how do you get over trading? How do you get over doing this? How do you get over doing that? And to be honest, chat, there is no secret sauce. There really isn't. There isn't a secret sauce to stopping all the nonsense. The secret sauce is just doing it, realizing that you're sick of it, and then you stop. That's the secret sauce. Would I utilize the back to funded option with Top Step? No. That is, the way they have that priced is insane. Like I know, can't do it. I wouldn't personally, but it's up to you. We'll make one. You will a secret sauce? I'm sorry, I can't do it. Listen, I can cook up for you guys as much as I can. But even myself, bro, I still go through some things, right? I still have my own struggles. I gotta cook up secret sauce for myself sometimes. And that's after being a trader for freaking 7 years. Chat, even having been a trader for 7 years, I still struggle with things. Like you're never not gonna struggle with things. Like, I mean, it's just a part of it. You just get better at managing it. That's what it is. You're human. You're gonna have human emotions, human thoughts, right? You can't tune out the human element, right, of being a trader. You just get better at managing it. Yeah, JT, I mean, you can earn it back quickly, for sure. No doubt. You really can. You can earn it back super fast. But can you earn it back is the question. How many times are you going to go back to funded until you earn it back, right? And they only allow twice. So it's like, then you spend all that money, then you fail it, don't earn it back, and then you're back to evals, and you spend all that money for what? That's a trick. If I were you, if you're not feeling like confident in it, especially for me, like if I wasn't confident in it, I wouldn't go back to funded. Like I would go straight to eval. Just because I don't want to spend all that money not feeling confident in my trading and then end up blowing through it. There's just no way. Absolutely no way. Wow, Nas rejecting VWAP here, chat. Holy. What a range, huh? I mean, look at this, bro. Oops. Look at this range, chat. I mean, we are just absolutely sideways and in the middle. Oh, what's our high to low here? High to low, 141 points. IB is 108. Some nice solid rejection points up here. A little nice little IB failures. I would love to get a failure on the low if we could. Get a nice little double break on the IB today. All right, we see that happen. That'd be nice. I would love to have that, chat. Have a nice little double break day. As much as we've been ranging and as much as happening in the world, you would think that we might actually get a double break on the IB today, but man, I don't know. I don't know, chat. What do you think? Also, chat, should we do a giveaway today? What do you think? Last day of the month, should we do like a 50K growth account today? Hold on. Let me look at something. I still have tons of accounts to give away. Chat, I got 2 more 50K growth accounts, 3 lightning funded 50K accounts, and 2 150K accounts. One of the 150K straight to fund accounts are going to the people, or is a giveaway for the people that use code JM at Tradeify. So if you use code JM at Tradeify, or if you do use code JM at Tradeify, send me a screenshot because this is the last day to enter that, right? So if you guys are going to buy accounts today with Tradeify, use code JM. Use my link, use code JM, and send me a screenshot of it. That'll enter you guys for the giveaway that we're running in Discord for the people that use the code. And I actually have more. I actually need to log others. We've had a lot more people enter, so we need to do that. So that is the giveaway happening right now, chat. In fact, let me put that in the comments here. Also, chat, I want to remind you as well, we are holding another masterclass for absolutely free. No, I am not charging $10,000 like most gurus out there. Hold on, let me put this in the chat, or let me put this in the comments, chat. Give me a second. So use code JM at Tradeify and send screenshot to enter giveaway. Today's the last day for that, chat. Oh wait, I forgot to put the link. Oh my God. Why can I not edit a message? No. Chat technicals, holy. Technical difficulties. All right, here we go. Use code JM and send screenshot to enter giveaway. Boom. There it is. All right. Now, back to what I was saying. We are doing a masterclass in Discord for absolutely free, baby. Holy moly. So if you're not in Discord, link down in the description. Be sure to join up on that. We are doing a masterclass over getting better entries. I have been testing a strategy lately that has been absolutely bankrolling. I actually made a YouTube video on it yesterday and went over it a little bit, showing some good entries. Chat. In fact, you know, I can show you right here. We can hop in my trade Zella, go to my reports, and also, chat, this strategy is tested on a live account, real live money that I put up myself. Okay, real live money that I put up myself. So it is tested on hard money, right? I still have more entries to log here, but we have a few of them logged already. Go to my trades. Like as an example, chat, this is what we're gonna be covering in the masterclass. How to get better entries. This was a trade I took on gold. This was a trade that I took on gold, chat, right here. I mean, look at that banger. Look at that. I mean, you can't make it up. You really can't. Long right here at the bottom, ripped all the way back up. And then if we go, actually, let's go look at another one real quick. This one was another one on gold that I took. All right. You really can't make it up, bro. Look at that entry. Look at that long on gold, man. We're going to be doing a masterclass on all of this in Discord on how I got these entries and the strategy that I'm testing. Obviously, it's not a perfect strategy. It's not a 100% win rate. There will be times where you take heat. There will be times where you get stopped out, just like every other strategy. But getting these bottom ticks and getting good entries has been something that I've been focused on lately, and figuring out ways that I could, you know, get those better entries, right? This was a entry that I took on the Nasdaq, actually. You can see it here. Look at this. Look at this bottom tick. Now, keep in mind, chat, like there's a lot of bottom ticks here. You're not going to get bottom ticks every single time. You're just going to find key levels that most of the average retail traders, right? If you think about it, most of the average traders out there, like they're going to have their stops at points of invalidation that in their mind thinks that that's where the trade's invalidated. Well, that's not always the case, right? Where you think there's an invalidation is just really a great test of liquidity for the market to continue moving in the opposite direction, or the trend that it was moving in, right? Like this as an example, you know, we had a nice little reversal on the Nasdaq here, and nice little reversal on the Nasdaq showing confirmation of a trend reversal. Well, people that are longing this, you know, they might have stops below this wick. Like we have consolidation here, right? Consolidation here. We have some wicks here. Like people might actually have their stops down here saying, you know what, a move below that might invalidate my trade. Well, their invalidation is actually my entry, because one, I have a bullish bias. I didn't have clear direction on the market. I have all these confluences. So it makes sense for the market to go seek liquidity to then continue to move in the original direction. And so that's what we're going to be going over in the masterclass in Discord. You do not want to miss it. So hop in Discord, check that event tab. You're going to want to catch it, because my goodness, it's going to be an absolute banger, chat. It really is. Again, tested on real money, funded by myself. Finding ways to adapt to the market, chat. That is what trading is all about. When certain strategies aren't playing out the best for you, you find ways to adapt. For me, as an example, my bread and butter strategy is initial balance. Lately, I mean, I've had good initial balance trades in some setups, but lately I haven't had very many good ones that I like to take. And so I've been finding ways to adapt in the market and testing strategies, find new theories that I can test, and it's been paying off. So that's what that masterclass is going to be all about. Going over a new idea and a new concept that might help you get better entries. Anyways, I went on a long just rant there. God, my goodness. All right. Do it. Talking about the giveaway, FitMom? Yeah, we might. I think we're going to. We'll do a 50K giveaway. Why not? We'll do a growth account. Gleb, how you doing, bro? I'm doing good. No, you did not miss anything. But if I'm gonna do a giveaway, we gotta get the likes up. That's unacceptable. That really is unacceptable, chat. Unacceptable. I won't tolerate it. We gotta get the likes up. We got it. Holy, Nasdaq actually just catching a little bit of a bid here. Nasdaq catching an insane bid. Just playing the ranges, man. Playing the ranges. Trader 007 says, let's like friends. Joey can see who likes or dislikes their YouTube. Don't let them know my secrets, bro. Because I'll come find them. I'll come find you, bro. Don't do it. Don't let them know the secrets. Let's do a poll, chat. Hold on. Let's do a poll. Does the NQ break out of this range before end of day? Yes or no? Or we have a third option that says, who cares? I'm getting rich anyways. Boom. There you go. We'll do a little Polsky chat. Nasdaq back in the 800s. 800 has been the actual line in the sand for Nasdaq, I feel like, today. It really has. 800 has been the line in the sand for the Nasdaq. Today, range bound with good volume. Yes, there has been great volume. Great volatility. I even said that like when I hopped on Tradify stream, I was like, maybe we'll have a range day with just like extreme volatility in the range. That's exactly what we got. We had great volatility within a range. I mean, today is a range trader's dream. I mean, for all the range traders out there, bro, y'all making a milli. It has been an absolute dream for you guys. How many out there are range traders? How many of you guys trade ranges? Holy dude, Nasdaq is like getting some extreme buying pressure. Trying to see what I see on Bookmap here. 300 contracts just got filled at 822. Nasdaq about to break out. So far, we have 30% people say the NQ is going to break out, 40% say no, and 30% say, who cares? I'm getting rich anyways. You love it. You love to see it, bro. Holy. All right, chat, we'll do a giveaway today. We'll do the 50K growth account giveaway today. Ms. Venture, how you doing? I'm calling my way back green in a 50K lightning funded. Took a large loss in the beginning of the month, woke me up to take it slow. Holy moly. Hey, listen, take it slow, call it back. You got it. You got it. Play with Fire says, oh my gosh, let me win. Listen, chat, we're going to do the duck races, but hey, I tell you guys every single time, bro, if you have not trained your ducks, your duck won't win. I'm sorry. I hope your ducks have been training. Again, where preparation meets opportunity. All right. So we'll do the duck race. We'll do the giveaways today. Just hope y'all trained up for it, you know? I hope y'all trained up for it. Market is barcode one. Market's been a major, is a big, like a big barcode today. I mean, that's all it is. Barcode, 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 barcode. That's all it's been. What's gold doing, chat? Hold on, let's take a look. Gold was on a massive ripper earlier today. It's kind of chilled out. Look at this rip on gold today, chat. It's been wild. Gold has been extremely volatile. We saw a massive sell-off during London. Massive sell-off on gold, and then it just absolutely ripped face off. Pretty much recovering majority of that move. Now we're just kind of consolidating. It'll be interesting to see what happens tonight at midnight. Isn't I think the government shutdown deadline's tomorrow, chat? Am I right on that? Hold on. When is government shutdown deadline? Trump threatening layoffs. Holy. Yeah, tomorrow is the deadline, right? So tonight at midnight, chat. Don't get interesting. Market might go bananas. The market might actually go absolutely crazy, chat. It will be something to watch. Colby says, I'm a government worker, so I'm kind of hoping for the furlough so I can chill at home and watch the charts. Hey, sounds like a pretty good way to spend your time at home, huh? That'd be fine by me. Have to work and not get paid. Yeah, I mean, there's gonna be a lot of people get screwed over. We don't want that. You know what I mean? We don't want people to get screwed over. We definitely don't want that, chat. Holy. Ain't no way. Ain't no way. But yeah, tonight at midnight, chat, I mean, the market might get a little twisted. I've been seeing the reports that, you know, Vance came out saying, you know, government shutdown's likely. Man, it's kind of looking like it's going to happen. So at least so far, anyways. But chat, you know what? Let me say something real quick. Hold on, lock in with me. What happened to my music though? We need music for this conversation. Let me get the music back on, chat. Hang on. Let me get the music back on. All right. You know what, chat? Listen. Take it as a sign if you get laid off, right? Take it as a sign that you should take things into your own hands, right? I mean, listen. I took things into my own hands because I got tired of getting laid off. Like I've been laid off before. I've been laid off twice. Almost 3 times. I would have been laid off 3 times, but I ended up quitting before the layoff. Anyways, I was like, you know what? If I don't have job security working a job, why don't I just go out on my own, bro? What's the difference? Worst comes to worst, I fail and I go get another job, right? You fail, you can always go get another job. On the flip side is if I don't and I succeed, I make more money than I made in a job and I have things in my own hands. I'm in control of everything. You know what I mean? I don't got to worry about some walking into my job one day and my boss being like, oh, you're fired. And it's not for everybody. Some people are comfortable working a job. I get that. I understand that too. If it makes you happy, yo, listen, do it. But for me, who's entrepreneurial minded with entrepreneurial tendencies and always wanting more, right? It made sense for me to just go on my own and then risk failing and then going to get another job later if I did fail. Fortunately, I didn't. I'm here. You know, but there's always going to be another job for you, right? So if you are like me and you do have entrepreneurial habits and tendencies and you're always wanting more, maybe take the risk, bro. Listen, you want to know when I took my risk, chat? It was in the most unfortunate circumstance there was, bro. I got laid off. Now, I haven't been, let me be clear. I've only been a full-time trade. I got a full-time trader for like 2 years, right? 2 years. Chat, my wife, she wasn't my wife at the time, but she was pregnant. My girl was pregnant at the time, bro, when I got laid off. And so I had a decision to where I had to be like, yo, I'm either gonna go get another job somewhere, right? I'm gonna go get another job somewhere, or I'm gonna just say fuck it and I'm gonna make everything else work, right? Because there's always gonna be another job somewhere. I could always be like, yo, this isn't working, I'm gonna go to another job. Like there will always be another job. But I got laid off when my girl was pregnant. And I was like, you know what? I'm doing okay. Like I was making money with trading. I was, you know, still like an influencer or whatever, right? I was making some money. So it wasn't like I wasn't making anything. So I just said, fuck it, and went all in on it. And now here we are. So you might as well take the risk. Again, the worst that could happen is that you just go find another job somewhere. That's it. Anyways, enough about that. Y'all get me on these rants and it just, I don't know. I don't ever shut up. Mr. Bond, like I hear you, bro. They do suck. Hey, that's me. Got laid off in July. Been trading ever since. Amen. There you go, bro. There you go. It's here for me. I got laid off, which pushed me into full-time trading earlier than planned. Listen, not everything runs on a schedule. You know what I mean? Not everything runs on a schedule. Chat, we are breaking above IB. We are breaking above IB on the Nasdaq here. Nasdaq just getting an absolute ripper of a push here. Nasdaq on an absolute ripper, chat. My goodness. Also, chat, if y'all gonna get me on these rants, bro, at least hit the like button. You know what I mean? Listen, lock in, chat. Look at me in my pretty blue eyes, bro. At least hit the like button if y'all gonna get me on rants. You know what I mean? Y'all get me on these rants too often. The rants are gold. Appreciate it. I think I rant to you guys because I have no, like, I have one personal friend, chat. Like in real life, I got one friend, bro. One. And he's like my go-to. Like I'll rant to him, like all my ideas, all my thoughts, they all just get dumped onto him because he's like my one friend. But I think because of that, I have a lot of like thoughts that I need to just get out. You know what I mean? And so I put it all on you guys. And that's where all the rants come from. Y'all are my rantees, right? I'm the ranter, y'all the rantee. The looks must scare people away. Holy. We know who's not going to be entered in this giveaway. Appreciate it, Ms. Venture. I mean, listen, I'm always down for a good rant convo. No, a lot of it, I call it rants. It's not really like a rant. It's just like some thoughts. You know what I mean? Like I have a lot of thoughts, chat, and like I want to get those thoughts out. And so when y'all come in, like I put all my thoughts onto you guys. And then my one friend here in real life, he gets all my thoughts. Forge, what's up? How you doing? What do we do at the end of the giveaway? I'll give you guys a keyword later on to enter the giveaway. Y'all just type it in the chat. No hat Joey going strong. You already know the deal, baby. We are just locking in the baldness. You know what I mean? Wake up every morning getting it freshly shined. Just getting it freshly shined up, ready for you guys, bro. You know what I mean? Bo, appreciate you. Yes, sir. You already know the deal. Mr. Bond says, I fired my duck last time. Listen, I hope you hired a new one. You got a duck race to do. You know what I mean, chat? Like, we got duck races. We got giveaways to do today. Kay says, stock up during Halloween with the hats that have the wig. Listen, I won't need the wig soon, chat. I'm going to Turkey. I'm getting the hair transplant in Turkey. I'm gonna do an IRL stream. I'm gonna set up a camera on a tripod, chat, and go live on YouTube during my hair transplant. Chat, you know how many views I would get? We'd go viral, bro. We really would. We'd go absolutely viral. Do and just like blog the whole trip too, make it a big YouTube thing, YouTube series. Joey Morgan goes to Turkey to get a hair transplant. Day trader goes to Turkey. Am I really going to Turkey? I don't know. I'm maybe, and probably not. I don't know. It'd be great content though. And then I'd come back with all like the scabs and stuff like on my head. And then like what would be like 8 months from then, y'all, like I would do a stream and just chat. What I would do is like during all the streams, I just wear like a beanie and just cover it up, right? And then when I have the full head of hair, like 8 months later or something, or whatever, however long it takes, just take the beanie off and just full head of hair, chat. You know what I mean? I don't have a big head, Kay. What are you talking about, bro? Chat, somebody ban K. AKA Feline Futures, holy. She's a moderator too, and I just might have her ban herself. I have a perfectly shaped head, chat, okay? For being a bald guy, I'm fortunate because I have a good shaped head. I don't have an egg head. I don't have a massive freaking Teletubby head. Like, I have just a normal head. And yeah, I said Teletubby. It's only 2 to 4K for a hair transplant in Turkey. Maybe I convince my wife to vacation. And dude, it is. It's super cheap. The biggest expense is just going there. That is the biggest expense. It's just going there, bro. You can get a full head of hair for like 4K. And I mean, they do like, chat, what's a ripoff, bro? Is you do things like Bosley. Like Bosley, they do like, it's like 20K for a procedure, right? To get a hair transplant, 20K. But they only do like 1,500, was it grafts, whatever it's called. only like 1,500, right? So like that wouldn't even give you a full head of hair. But then you go to Turkey and they do like 35 to 4,000 grafts, chat. Like a legit full head of hair for only like 4K, right? That's why people go to Turkey. It's because you get more grafts, however you say it. I don't know what it is. More grafts for only like $4,000 versus Bosley, where you get like half the grafts you get at Turkey for 20K. Like it makes no sense. It makes no sense. Newts. Transylvania? No idea. Is it guaranteed to grow new hair and last forever? Yes, it lasts. Because the back, they take like the back and the sides of your hair where it's like you don't have like the DHT problem, like or it's balding you. They just take it from back there and put it on top of your head. So it's transplanted in. So it just lasts forever. I mean, now if you, when you're like 80 years old, I don't know if you'll still have it, but you'll at least have it pretty much your entire adult life. Yeah. Rocking a moderate comb over, so I gotta figure something out. I used to have the comb over. Chat, hold on. I think I got. Oh, you want to see a picture? On. Chat, what's crazy is that like you would, if y'all had seen me like in my early like college career / high school, you would have never thought that I would go bald. Like you never would have. I had ultra thick hair, bro, and I had a lot of it. A lot of it. So you would like look at me and be like, yo, that dude is never going bald. Well, guess what? It all fucking just bounced. All right, all of it, every single bit of it, just absolutely bounced. Damn, I gotta scroll way back. Am I that old? Holy shit. I gotta scroll way back, chat. Hold on, I'm trying to find a picture of when I had a lot of hair. Give me a second. Is it, do I even have, wait. Hold on, I gotta find a good picture. Trying to go through my Instagram here. Hold on. Wait, switch. I don't know, chat. Maybe hold on. There's gotta be a picture somewhere here. Maybe I don't have a picture. Thought I did. I have a picture when I rocked the comb over because I was balding. You want to see the comb over picture, Colby? All right. Hold on. This was the comb over picture. That's the comb over, chat. When I was balding, when I was actually losing my hair, there's the comb over. Kobe, I don't know how your comb over looks, dude, but listen. Yep, that was it right there. The good old comb over days. How long ago was that? How long ago was that? It was, let's see. Hold on, I gotta pull up the picture again. Wait, hold on, chat. I gotta find it. Let's see. Hang on. I scrolled out of it. I gotta go back down and find it. But it was a long time ago. 2012. That's how long ago it was. I was in 2012, chat, when I had that come over. Also, chat, hold on. I used to be fucking jacked, all right? Listen, y'all don't see it on stream, but your boy used to be just absolutely just shredded, bro. Shredded. Jacked as all get out. Deadlifting 315 with ease, baby. With absolute ease. Little throwback photos, holy. The covered but thin as hell look is not great. No, it's not. It is absolutely not great. It was steroids that caused the baldness. No, I didn't. I never took steroids. Never did. I was all natural. All natural. I looked good though, chat. I looked good, man. I was actually really jacked. NQ caused the hair loss. Yeah, probably. Maybe. I don't know. It was honestly, it was bouncing out of here before I even really dove into trading. It just like, it escalated it. Being a trader definitely escalated it, bro. Holy moly. Dang, y'all making me go back through my photos, bro. Like freaking throwback photos. Chat, I mean, I was jacked, right? I mean, I was fucking... I used to be jacked, dude. I was real jacked. Look at those biceps, man. Look at those biceps, chat. I used to be absolutely jacked. We getting it back though, chat. We getting it back. We getting it back. We're gonna get jacked again. Trust me. Trust me. Trust me. It's in the works, chat. Believe that. Believe it. Head got bigger, muscles shrunk. Okay, shut your mouth. Maybe it's coincidence, but my hair started turning gray faster ever since I started trading. Yeah, it'll do that too. It'll tack on a couple years. It'll legit tack on a couple of years, chat. Oh, NQ is still just absolutely ripping to the upside here. The nude says my beard has some straight up white sickles in it. Holy. White ice. Wait. White icicles? White sickles? White icicles? Holy. It's all right. My buddy here, my one friend that I mentioned earlier, chat, he's just all like white and silver hair. Like he's my age and it's all just white. Whitesicles. I did make a new word. Yeah, that is facts. Whitesicles. Mike, I got whipped around all morning, was down 900 to a nice trade, back to plus 30, locked out, brain tired. Holy moly. Yes. Lock her up. Lock her up, lock her up, lock her up. Buying streaks of gray hair now. At this point, I may as well dye it all silver. Hey, do it. Listen, hey, go straight silver fox, baby. Holy. Don't worry about gray unless you grow a beard. Chat, I can't even do that, bro. I can't even grow a nice full beard. Like I struggle with hair in general. Okay, like I don't have hair on my head. I can't grow a fucking beard. Like the most I can do is like a chin strap. You know what I mean? Like I just have a little like A little chin strap, chat. It's like, it's just the best that I could do. I don't even know. I just got screwed all around with just hair, bro. Head hair, facial hair, just I can't do it. I don't know, bro. I just don't know. I don't know what to do about it. Like, do I put Rogaine on the face, chat? Like, what do I do? Huh? Like, what's the secret? What's the beard oil, chat? Is what I need? Huh? How do I make it thicker, chat? What do I do? What do you think? How do I make it thicker? Be glad you don't have hair anywhere, everywhere. It sucks. I really don't. Like, I just don't have hair, chat. I don't know. I'm gonna tell you. Like, I feel like I barely have any, like, on my arms. I don't know, chat. It's like, I really don't. I don't know if you guys can see, but I don't really have hairy arms either. Nasdaq is back up at the very tippity top of the range here, chat. J is demographics or whatever it's called for your channel. 99.9% men that are balding. I don't know, chat. Are you guys, for all the men in here, are you guys balding? We know Colby is. I don't know. Maybe it is. Maybe my demographic for my audience is all bald people. I guess it is. We got Liquid Snake says yes. Mike says clown pattern baldness. I don't know what that is, but he has pattern baldness. Plays with fire. Mr. Bond. Market Maker Mario says, guess I'm the 1%. He ain't balding, bro. Got a full head of hair. 300 HP says, nope, I've grown more hair, if anything. I wish I had that problem. Hair coming out its freaking ears. Bro, that's an age thing. That is an absolute age thing. Chat, are we just gonna reject this up here? Are we just gonna reject this again, chat? What are we doing? Just turned 35. Listen, you'll have ear coming out. Wait, you'll have hair coming out your ears at 35, bro. Trust me. It happens. You thought your hair was more in the 40s than above? Nah, bro, it's a 30s thing. It's a 30s thing. Ear hair gang, stand up. Mike says, I had hair like Jim Carrey till I was 25. My goodness. I had great hair, like great hair. I mean, my hair was phenomenal. But then it all went away. Your wife wants to shave your ear hair? That's weird. Just started the ear hair thing, but I'm 41. It was bound to come, play. It was bound to make its way to you. Your wife takes your ear hair out with tweezers. Chat, what this conversation turned into, bro? What are we talking about right now? Why are we talking about ear hair? What is this stream, bro? We've done absolutely everything but talk about the markets. Like, do we even stream to trade anymore? Like, what are we doing? Ear hair moves the NQ. I guess it does, bro. Samir says I just shaved mine. Black coffee starting to think I'm in Nutty's chat. I don't know what y'all talking about over there, but I think it's all coming this way now. These streams been turning into something weird. It's nose hairs suck, bro. They really do. Chat, I used to wax my chat, listen. I used to wax the nose hairs, all right? I did. We had the whole like what is it? We had the Q-tips with the wax and just stick them up there and let them harden, and then you just yank them out. Talk about making your eyes water. Yeah, you just get like Q-tips and get like the wax, right? Just stick it up there, let it harden. You just pull it out. Sorry, I mean, it's a real thing, dude. I used to do it. P&L today, I'm up 500 on all 5 Tradify accounts. You pull, Ms. Venture says she pulls her hubby's nose hair out while he's sleeping. That's a good way to get punched. Chat, if my wife did that, bro, she's getting thrown across the room. Chat, if I'm dead asleep, bro, sounds like a crime. If I'm dead asleep, having beautiful dreams, and all of a sudden I feel nose hairs getting pulled out of my nose, bro, you're going across the room. Like, it's just... BW Trace says, imagine being the guy who just turned volume up to hear I used to wax my nose hairs. Chat. Golly. Oh man. Chat, what are we doing, bro? Sam, what? You think we draw the line at nose and ears? Chat, this conversation is about to get real weird. I don't know what we're talking about right now, but this is about to get real weird. Oh God. What's that? Bro, we've been live for an hour and 16 minutes, chat, and we've been talking about ear and nose hairs. And hair transplants. Do we even care about the market, chat? Oh my God, bro, my face hurts from laughing so much. Chat, my face. Yes, Kay? Yes. Oh, brother, Nasdaq just consolidating up these highs up here. Chat, we'll do the giveaway soon. We're doing a 50K growth account giveaway today. Dope Book Futures. Hey, Joe, it's in your DM in your Discord. Harper, can you check it out when you get a chance, please? I swear there's no feed pics. Well, there's no feed pics. I ain't looking. The stream bald gang. Yeah. With hairy toes. Chat, I swear to God, if y'all send me feet pics, we're gonna have a problem. Make up your minds. Holy. I'll check it out. I'll take a little peek. Dope. Moneymaker. Yes. Yeah, for a lot of people. I mean, listen, feetfinder.com, you know what I mean? People probably selling their pretty little toenails on Feetfinder. Listen, whatever you got to do to make ends meet, you know what I mean? He says socks are off. Let's go ahead and put them back on. You have to execute the trades using your toes, though. Holy. That would be wild. I mean, if I was like, chat, if I didn't have arms and all I had was feet, I mean, I would trade with my toes. I'd have to. Y'all see me on stream with just my legs straight up in the air with my toes clicking the mouse. Going long in the Nasdaq. Oops, I fat toed it. Instead of fat finger, it's fat toed. Can you imagine emailing a prop firm and being like, yo, I accidentally fat toed my my account? Golly, dude. Real talk though, chat, there is some talented people with that like don't have arms. They only do things with their feet. There are some talented people, bro. There was in fact, actually, you know what? There was a girl, she has her arms and hands, chat. But there was a girl that was drawing 4 pictures. She's this talented. Her brain is wired very insanely. She was drawing 4 pictures, chat. She was drawing 1 picture in the right hand, 1 picture in the left hand, and had 1 for each foot. Right? She was drawing a picture with her right foot, her left foot, her right hand, and her left hand. And she was drawing that way, chat. Imagine. Like, that is insane, bro. Absolutely insane. But there are some talented people that can do a lot of things with their feet. We're not going to hold a talent contest over it, but there's some talented people. Do you like trading in personal account more than prop accounts? Yes, I do. I do because it's my own equity and I'm growing my own equity. But I like trading prop firms and getting payouts from prop firms to fund more money into my personal account. It's like a funnel. I get paid from Tradeify, and then I funnel it into my personal account. And it just gives me more capital to trade with in my personal, which therefore I can trade more size. I don't have a Tradeify live account now. Nasdaq consolidating up here, chat. Holy. All right, chat. Fuck it. You know what? Let's go ahead. I'm gonna give it just a little bit. We're gonna do a giveaway here. Let's let me just hang on. Let me ping everybody in Discord. We're gonna do a giveaway. Put it on Twitter too. Let's see. All right, chat, we're gonna do a 50K growth account giveaway here shortly. Be ready. I feel like we're gonna have an interesting keyword today to type with all the conversation we've had in here. Holy Mama Bear, good afternoon. Just saw the notice of the live. Glad I didn't miss this. Y'all, you might be. It might be. You might be happy based on the conversations we just had in here. Pretty much the entire stream. What should the keyword be, chat? What should we make it? What should the keyword be? Balding factor. What did I miss? A good rant. Oh, we had a rant earlier, and then we started talking about nose hair and ear hair, and having fat toes when trading. Yeah, Mama Bear, you are. We had quite the conversations going on here. I don't know what's happening, but you know, we're here. Here we are. I know a keyword we'll do, chat. We'll make it easy. I know what we'll do. You vote for Fatto. Oh God. All right, chat, here's what we'll do. We're gonna do it right now. We'll actually go ahead and do all one word, chat. This is all one word, okay? No space, all one word. Fat toe. Just we're just gonna do it because of the conversation. That's it. Keyword is fat toe. We're gonna do it. Good luck. Golly, bro. Good luck, chat. Keywords fat toe. All one word. Blank keyword choice. Chat, type fat toe in the comment to be entered for the giveaway. Golly. Just seeing my comments light up with fat toe is wild. Wild. Make sure you spell it right, chat. Holy, F-A-T-O-E. Fat toe. People are probably coming in like, why is the keyword fat toe? Like what? Why is that the keyword, chat? I guarantee people will be like, what is happening right now? For those that are coming in and wondering why fat toe is the keyword, we had a conversation about not having arms and trading with your feet. Okay, so instead of fat finger a trade, we fat toe it. Okay. Chat, it's F-A-T-T-O-E. What are y'all doing, bro? Did I say one T? It's F-A-T-T-O-E. Did I English wrong? Did I say one T? It's two T's, chat. Two T's. I English wrong, but it's fine. My bad. Yeah, no, it's two T's, chat. My bad. I thought I didn't realize I said one T. It's two T's. F-A-T-T-O-E. I think the majority of people got it right, though. Yeah, y'all definitely did. We have 46 people. 46 viewers and 46 participants. Feline says, come on, making money and laughing. Life is good. Life is absolutely good. Holy. All right, hold on. Let me see. We got 51 people, chat. 51 people. I'll give you guys 30 more seconds. If you just tuned in, fat toe, F-A-T-T-O-E. Is the keyword to be entered for the giveaway. We're doing a 50K growth account. Before we do this, chat, also, while we're here, Well, I'll give you guys 30 more seconds. Remember, we're doing a free mastermind class in Discord, October 24th, 7 p.m. Central Time. Be sure to hop in Discord. Link is in the description of this video. You can join Discord. We're doing a free mastermind class. You do not want to miss it. Absolutely free. I have nothing to sell you. I will not sell you anything after either. Just an absolute free masterclass. I have no course, no mentorship. Just absolutely free. So use that link in the description. Join up on Discord. You know the deal, baby. You know the deal. Chat, y'all ready? Hold on, let me get the names. We got 56 people. 57 people. All right, let me get these names in here. Let me get these names, chat. Oh, now we got 59 people. Hold on. We're getting a few more coming on in. Bateau is the key word.
The easiest way to get into the meditative state is to begin by listening.
All right, chat. 10 more seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. All right, here we go. I'm getting all the names. God, we got 65 people, chat. 65 people have entered.
As you hear sounds coming up in your head, you simply listen to them.
For the last two that joined, you're lucky that I was looking at it. 67. All right, it's shut down. It is shut down, chat. Good luck. Good luck. Good luck, chat. All right, here we go. Here we go. Y'all ready? Good luck. I hope y'all train the dogs. Remember, preparation meets opportunity. This is your moment right here. This is your moment for the 50K growth account with Tradify. Good luck, chat. Good luck. Holy, we got Nima. Nima coming in hot already right out the gate. Mr. Bond. Bruno. Samir. Oh, baby, it is an absolute close one. Nebula. Bruno. Who's going to pull through? Trades by Judah's coming up too. Listen, Trades by Judah, we can't let you win again, bro. I'm sorry. You got to give other people an opportunity. You and Trader 007, bro. I don't know what y'all do. Y'all are like, I promise you guys, it's not rigged. Holy. Dustin Carter coming in with trying to pull in with the lead. Plays by fire. Dustin Carter, Guitar Hero. It is an absolute close one. It is anybody's duck. Holy. Who's gonna pull through, chat? Who is gonna pull through? Omen. Yamaha Trader. Uh-oh. Who's it gonna be? Super Mario trying to turn up the gas a little bit, looking like a straight up thug. Holy. Trader 007. No, we can't. 00. We can't do it, bro. Samir. Look at Samir. Black Coffee Trader's currently in the lead with the stylish mohawk. Mr. Bond coming in with a beanie because he's bald like me. Trades by Judah, bro. We can't. You gotta fall off, bro. It's you gotta fall off. You can't win again. Uh-oh. Market Maker Mario. No way, bro. Market Maker. Holy. Mario came in absolutely hot at the end there. Holy. He was just, bro, he was teasing you guys. He really was. Mario was, he knew what was happening. He knew what the deal was. Golly. Trades by Judah, bro. Listen, you tried to pull it through. I don't know. Your duck won. You know, sometimes you rise, sometimes you fall. This time you fell. Coffee says I broke my foot at the end. Holy. Mario. GG's, bro. I will send you a code for a free 50K growth account. My goodness. Your duck had too much clothes on. Super Mario in the chat too says, "Good job, cousin." We got just a whole Mario party in the chat right now. Do I still hear ducks? Okay, there we go. Your duck went the wrong way. It happens. It happens. Chat, we do giveaways absolutely all the time. We're going to be doing another giveaway on Friday for a 50K straight to funded account, chat. Straight to funded account on Friday. You already know the deal. Make sure you guys are subscribed. We do giveaways all the time. Absolutely all the time. We don't talk about ear hair and nose hair all the time, but that, I mean, today in fat toast, but today we did. Golly. Chat, make sure you guys subscribe, man. We're live every single day, Monday through Friday at the New York Open and afternoon. We'll be live tomorrow morning. You guys don't want to miss it. We will be live doing everything markets. Your duck had a fat toe and it sunk. Yeah, it did. NQ started ripping on that race, bro. I know, I see that. Like NQ just absolutely ripping up to the upside, making new highs on the day. Kind of crazy. Kind of crazy, chat. Tonight's gonna be wild too, pending government shutdown. You already know the deal. We might be getting some volatility tonight. Asia market might be absolutely insane, chat. It really might be. Golly, chat. We're gonna wrap it up there, baby. Holy, it is about 30 minutes till market close. Ain't nothing happening. We ain't gonna take no trades the rest of the stream. So we'll wrap it up. Call it a day there. Interesting stream. We talked everything but the markets. We talked ear hair, hair loss, nose hair, fat toes, everything in between. I don't know what today was, but today was an odd one. Anyways, yeah, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button on your way out. Oh, remember, join Discord if you want to catch the free masterclass next month. Link in the description. Tradeify code JM. If you want to be entered for the giveaway on Tradeify, use code JM. Send me a screenshot in Discord of you using code JM. That'll enter you for 150K straight to fund the giveaway, chat. Send me that screenshot, chat. Hope you guys have a good rest of your day. I will see you tomorrow morning live, baby. Holy, peace out. Love you. Stay beautiful.